Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix Print Spooler problem on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for Service. And click the top result to open the Service console. Find Print Spooler. Right click the Print Spooler service and select the Properties option. Click the General tab. Click the Stop button. Open File Explorer. Click this PC. Open Local Disk C. Open Windows folder. Then open System32 folder. Open Spool folder. Then open Printers folder. Select everything in the Printers folder and hit the Delete button to remove the contents. On the Print Spooler Properties page, click the General tab. Click the Start button to restart the service. Click the OK button. Once you complete the steps, Windows 11 should be able to send the job and the printer to print it. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.